arrow that we use to align this, right?
Yeah, so the arrow, it's like at like a 70-degree angle, and you align it with that top one.
And then you twist it.
Twist it in. So what you would want to do is if you're using your hose, you would want to go, this arrow is pointed at water in right now, you would want to go to water out.
And we just check the sink to make sure that it was off?
Yep, so check the sink, make sure it's off. Since you have like the Rixson and the shower system, you want to have this open to allow water to go through here.
Okay.
What you would also do is open this valve open.
Okay.
So now that's...
Everything's open.
Yep, everything's open.
So that should be full. Is the water, do I need the water pump on?
Yes, so that's the last thing is you would want to make sure that the water pump is on. So you would turn that up, on, and then this is going to start pressurizing, and then it's putting pressure into the hose.
It's nice and thick. I'm going to spray that sucker.
You would just...
I can return all the hoses I bought.
Yeah, so, oops. And you would want to make this sure that one's open.
Yep.
And then
spray away.
Spray away. And then when the Rixson system was on, you can control if it's hot or cold water.
Hot left or
I think it's
opposite?
Yeah, I'd have to see. It's one of these is hot.
Yeah, I'll figure it out.
So, yeah, this will take a minute to like fill back up or to fully pressurize just because it's the expandable hose.
Yep.
But one way we can kind of mimic the water, like filling it with the hose, is kind of what we got going on right here. So I'm going to turn the pump off, and then what would happen is this would connect to a garden hose, and then you would connect this to here. So get rid of the
if I wanted an actual garden hose,
exactly.
like extender.
So if you want to connect it, or if you want to fill it up, you would...
filling up the water tank.
Yeah, so if you want to fill it up, you would connect this to a garden hose.
But I can't...
Or some kind of spigot.
Yep.
And then you would connect this to it. You would make sure that that is open. And then right now this is open, that's open, and we're in water out and the pump is off. So if I turn it into water in, all of this water is going to go rushing back in there and you'll hear it.
Oh yeah.
So it shoots back in. So you can imagine if you had it connected to a garden hose, it
would just suck all the water into the tank.
Yeah, it would just be pushing all the water into the tank. It would be full. Once it is full,
the pump is off.
Pump in water in. Pump is always off and water in.
Okay, pump is always off and water in.
Pump is, you need to use the pump in order to get the water out.
Yep. Okay.
And then underneath here is where the overflow drain is.
Okay, so when that starts overflowing, you know it's full.
Yep, that starts overflowing. You know it's full, and then also there's this blue hose. That's your drain. So if you want to manually drain it, you can open this up, and then there's this white valve right here. But you can do that, and then it would start dumping water.
Got it. Cool. So if I'm winterizing.
Exactly.